So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on these night vision goggles. So let's open them up. Let's see exactly what we get inside them. Manual, looks like a strap. Here's the actual night vision. We got a USB-C cable, looks like. All right. These things look nice. Oh, there's where you look out. So we're going to peel this. This is what you look at. Get in there and get that off. All right, so we're going to charge these up. USB. Yeah, that's going to expose. Comes with a card, looks like. Huh. Comes with a memory card, 32 gigabyte already installed. How about that? That's pretty nice. Now to put it in. I guess the other way. Yeah, you got to really push it in. It's going to push in and you want it to stay in. So it does have USB-C. It's got like a really nice rubber grippy to it. Mode button, power button, menu. All right, let's look at it. This looks cool. Far and near. All right, super excited. Okay, so you are going to have to plug the other, it comes with this cable, but you're going to have to plug the other end into a wall charger. Okay, so let's plug it in. It does have a battery inside it. But let's plug it in. You want to push that in all the way. That little light's on. Yeah, it says it has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Okay, so it says we can turn it on. Power right here, how to hold it for about 3 seconds. Yeah, when I let up, it seems like it came on. So it's like a TV screen. Okay, so let's take a look. There's the battery icon. There's the SD card. Timestamp. 4K. Yeah, that's what the screen looks like. And I was adjusting the focus with this one here. Now, if you they do want you to charge it with it powered down. And when you unplug the USB-C cable, it does power down. So let's power it up. So yeah, I don't need to charge it. It comes with about 90%. That's pretty nice. Okay, so it's really dark over there. I want you to see. I do have to focus it in now. It is kind of like a gray and white picture, but I can focus it in pretty good. Down those trees. That's the lights from the city, so I can't see those with my naked eye. Those trees I can't see right now. But with this I can see. It's pretty cool. And the screen's not super bright either. Like it's not illuminated, like, I don't know how to say, it's not as bright as what you're seeing on the video. Like there's a house next door. Now I do have to focus it with that left-hand piece over there, you know. Okay, so it's got this infrared mode. I can press the buttons. Oh, wow. That just made it so much clearer. Now I don't see, oh, my camera picks that up, but I can't see that with the, well, I guess I do see a little bit. That's pretty amazing. I can turn that on and off. There's 2 buttons up here. There's with it off, on. Oh, wow. These things are pretty cool. That's the infrared buttons. They're easy to hold. There's where you take a picture. It's recording. Depending on if you have it in video mode, you can stop the recording. It's got mode button, menu. Then you probably got to move the cursor. Yeah, you move the cursor with the buttons. Wow, this thing's pretty neat. Yeah. Huh. You put the strap on here. Looks like a 1/4 threads right there. Huh. Okay, let's measure it real quick. Oh, about 4.5 inches. 6 inches thickness-wise. About 2 inches. You know, the screen is about 2.5 by 1.5. And again, when I was outside, I was turning this to focus it. It's super lightweight. I mean, it is just extremely lightweight. And again, that screen is not super bright when I was outside. Let's turn it off. Yep. Yeah, you have to hold the button about 6 seconds. The screen will finally come on. Huh. Looks like it's got a pretty nice user manual and everything, yeah. Goes over all the menu settings and things. Pretty neat, and it comes with that SD card. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. And Miss Fiona is watching me. Hi, Miss Fiona. She's a good dog. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.